Okay, let's look this one. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
This side too, you know, this.
See the damages right here?
Damage right there, you know.
Cracked shingles.
Yeah. And that one here is missing too.
Some missing shingles right there.
This one here too, no more. I'm missing here. That one look okay, but this is missing here.
Missing shingle right there.
So let's look. We have a couple here, we got two here. One, two. Here you can see a crack over here.
Cracked shingles.
Shingles. That one here too. And a crack over here. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got an 8 on this 1, 2. Let's count this.
8 damages before.
That one. See that one too, scratch shingle. You come close to it. So we push up, but crack over here.
Cracked shingles.
Yeah.
Cracked shingles.
One more here, about 9.
No damage here.
Let's look in this one here. Now we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The wind damage here. I'm gonna push this up. No. Put it here.
Cracked shingles.
Right over here.
Another one.
Another one here is kind of wind here. Again, that one here. You push up and you see the crack over here. So that one here too is cracked. There. This one here cracked too. If you pull like too hard, so they don't come out, you know.